Fix error 14 Freezer BEKO. In most cases, error 14 means an internal fan problem. The temperature in the freezer cannot reach the required value because the internal fan is not working. Turn off the freezer, and after it has defrosted, remove all the drawers. Need to be removed this plastic diffuser on the back, 2 screws on bottom and 2 on top. Remove plastic back and there it is internal fan. Check the fan if it needs lubrication, or if it is defective and needs to be replaced with a new one. Subscribe. Done, now working perfectly.